Listen carefully. Right now, somewhere in the world, a 16-year-old just made more money today than most adults make in a week. Not because they're smarter, not because they're lucky, but because they understood something early that most people realize too late. The world doesn't pay you for your age, it pays you for your value. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how teenagers are quietly making $10,000 per month online. So by the end of this video, you won't just be inspired, you'll know exactly where to start. Part 1. Attention equals money. Let's start with the biggest shift. Money doesn't follow degrees anymore. Money follows attention. And teenagers, they've mastered attention better than anyone. While most people scroll for entertainment, they scroll for opportunity. They build pages around simple ideas, motivation, luxury lifestyle, facts, AI content. They post consistently, and then one day, one video explodes, millions of views, and suddenly that attention turns into money. Affiliate links, brand deals, digital sales. One viral page can make $300, $500, even $1,000 per day. And the craziest part? Anyone watching this can start today. Part 2. Simple skills equals real income. Now here's where most people get it wrong. They think you need big skills. You don't. You need one useful skill. That's it. Teens are learning things like video editing, thumbnail design, AI content creation, script writing, not for years, but for weeks. Then they go online, Fiverr, Upwork, Discord, and they start small, $10, $20, $50 per job. But something powerful happens. They improve, they gain confidence, they get repeat clients, and slowly that $10 turns into $100, $100 into $1,000, until they're making $5K, $10K a month. Not because they're perfect, but because they started early. Now, this is the level most people never reach. Instead of working for money, they make money work for them. How? Digital products. Simple things like ebooks, Notion templates, AI prompt packs, guides. They create it once and sell it forever. No boss, no fixed hours, just notifications like $29 earned, $49 earned, $99 earned while they're sleeping. And with AI, this process is faster than ever. What used to take weeks now takes hours. That's why teenagers today are building income streams before they even turn 18. So understand this. This isn't about teens. This is about timing. We are living in a moment where anyone, anywhere can build something online. The only difference, some people watch and some people act. End. 1 year from now, you'll either say, "I'm glad I started," or "I wish